Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVEK YouTube channel. How to add and edit Google Chrome homepage shortcuts. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Shortcuts are convenient for quickly getting to certain websites. So we'll guide you through how you can go and add and edit them in Google Chrome. You may need to go and open up a new tab, and then you want to look in the bottom right and you'd see the option for Customize Chrome. Now you want to go and scroll down into Shortcuts, and what you can do is go and switch on Show Shortcuts like so. Go and choose between My Shortcuts and the Most Visited Shortcuts. If you just have the most visited set, you then can't go and set your own. If you're going to have My Shortcuts, you'll then have the Add Shortcut button. So what you can do is click Add Shortcut, go and give it a name, press Done, and you'll go and see it's then added. Now, if you want to go and remove one of these here, you can go and hover over it, press the three dots in the top right and press Remove or Edit.